Good morning, everyone. Today we will learn how to do the GP level consolidation for the formats which we had consolidated at the VO level. Now you can see on my screen that there are two formats. On the left side is the format of Flower VO and Nirmahal VO, which has already been filled, so that I can help you in teaching how to fill the GP level consolidation sheet. And this is the GP level consolidation sheet which I'll be filling for you to understand in a greater clarity as to how to go about it. This is in a virtual form, hence there are two pages on my screen. When you will be doing in the hard copy, you have to imagine that these two pages are on your table. So now I will show you that the format here on the right side is the GP level format, and on the very first page of the GP level format will be the index page, where you have to refer to the page number on which these details are mentioned. For example, basic information of GP can be on page number 1 to 10. Then the present status can be from page number 11 to 20, and similarly the plan of upcoming year can be from page number 21 to 30, and the entitlement plan can be from page number 31 to 50. So this will give an idea to all the people at the panchayat level to refer to these pages whenever they are in search of something very specific as to entitlement plan, livelihood plan, public good services and resource development, and social development plan. This is the basic information. As an example, I have taken here Fulera GP, Prayagnagar, Gumlapur, which is in the state Madhya Pradesh. There are two VOs, as we can see, Flower VO and Nirmahal VO, and number of wards in the GP. Now I'll move ahead and teach you as to how to do the consolidation and prepare the summary sheet at the GP level from the VO level summary sheets that are available. So first and foremost, it's very important to understand that in this meeting, two representatives from each and every VO of the GP will be coming and sitting together and doing this consolidation. So here we'll assume that the representatives from Flower VO and Nirmahal VO have come together, and now they are together sitting with the facilitator in order to prepare a GP level consolidation and summary sheet. So the total number of households in the panchayat jurisdiction will be total number of households in the VO of Flower VO and the total number of households in Nirmahal VO. So it will be 52 plus 30, 82. Sorry. Now again, you can see that the number of households covered in the SHG in Flower VO is 37 and in Nirmahal VO is 20. So what will be here? 57. Total number of existing SHGs in Flower VO is 3 and total number of existing SHGs in Nirmahal VO is 2. So in the panchayat where there are two VOs, Flower and Nirmahal, the total number of SHGs will be 5. Total number of SHGs receiving RF is 3 and here in Nirmahal VO it's 2. So here also it will be 5. Similarly, total number of SHGs who have accessed bank loan in Flower VO is 3 and in Nirmahal VO is 2, so it will be 5. In a very similar way, we will calculate number of households to be brought under SHG 4, so it is 15 over here, and for Nirmahal VO it is 10, so total will be 25. Number of SHGs to be provided RF here is 1 and in Nirmahal VO is also 1, so it will be 2. And number of SHGs that will access bank loan here in Flower VO is also 1 and here also it is 1, so it will be 2. So you have to imagine that you have the VO level summary sheets of all the VOs in your panchayat and you have to just count the numbers and you have to fill it in the GP summary sheet. Now we will move ahead and see as to how to fill the GP level summary sheet for entitlement plan. So here we can see that the VO level summary sheet for the Narega job card has been made. So this is for flower VO. In flower VO, total number of beneficiaries within SHG is 14. And in Neer Mahal VO, it is 10. So tell me, should we here write 24? No. We cannot write 24 because at the VO level, we are also taking the data of people outside the SHG. So total number of beneficiaries in that sense from flower VO will be 14 plus 15, 16, 17, and in Neer Mahal VO 10 plus 11, 12, 13. So 13 plus 17 will be 30. So total will be 30. Now when we will go to Narega work demand, we are not collecting any data for the people who are from outside the SHG 4. So here the total work demanded is 3 and in Neer Mahal VO it is 4. So the total work, individual work will be 7. Now I'll show you how to do the summary sheet for old age pension. So for old age pension, the total number of beneficiaries as you can see here within the SHG fold is 9. And from Neer Mahal VO, it's 11. So should we write 20? No, we will not write 20. We will also calculate from each VO how many members come as beneficiaries from outside the SHG pool. So 9 plus 10, 11, 12 plus 11, 23 plus 2, 25. So for old age pension, total beneficiaries at the panchayat level will be 25. Now, in a very similar way, you will have to calculate for all the other schemes where beneficiary data has been collected from within the SHG as well as outside the SHG. The livelihood plan at GP level becomes extremely simple. As you can see, farming, animal husbandry and micro enterprise has been divided here. Total number of individuals who have demanded, total number of groups who have demanded, and the total support that is required. So for individual farming, interested in individual farming will be 6. In flower VO. And now we will also see that from outside SHG are there people who are interested in individual farming. So yes, we can clearly see Aarti Yadav is interested in individual farming. And in Neer Mahal VO, total number of 4 people are interested. So 6 plus 1, 7 plus 4, 11. And from outside SHG, 1 person is interested. So 1 plus 4, 5 plus 6 plus 6, 12. Now we will see how to fill it for groups. The total number of groups that want to do group farming. So in flower VO, total number of groups who want to do group farming is 3. And from outside SHG, there is 1 person who wants to do it in group. So 3 plus 1, 4. And from Neer Mahal VO, we have 0 number of people who want to do group farming. And from outside SHG, nobody wants to do. So we will just write 4. And for total support required, we will count it again for both individual and group farming. So it will be 15 here. And the type of support from outside SHG, 16, 17. And from Neer Mahal VO, we have total support required 10, which makes it 27. And from outside SHG is 1, so 28. So this is how you have to fill the data for GP level summary sheet for farming. What you have to constantly remember is that the data when getting consolidated at the GP level is also getting consolidated by adding both the members from outside the SHG and the members who have demanded it from within the SHG fold. I'll quickly show you even for animal husbandry. So total number of individuals within the SHG fold is 7. From flower VO. And from outside SHG who want to do it individually, it is 2, that is 9. And from Neer Mahal VO, 4 people want to do it individually, 13. And from outside SHG, nobody wants to do it individually. So 9 plus 4, there will be 13. Now total number of groups that have demanded. So here one group will go from Neer Mahal VO to Flower VO. One group, again 2. In Flower VO, nobody wants to do it in group from outside the SHG floor. And within the SHG floor, 3. So total will be 5. And the total support required will come about as, in Flower VO, 20 people have demanded for different kinds of support. And from outside SHG 2, 22. Again here 11 people have demanded. So it comes about as 22 plus 11, 33 and 1, 34. So this is how you have to keep doing the type of support at the Gram Panchayat level. So now I will teach you in a very similar way how to do the summary sheet for public goods and services. So as you can see here that it is the VO summary sheet for Flower VO. So in Flower VO we will see that how many people or how many demands have come for road. So 1, 2, there are 2 demands for road. And now we will come for Neer Mahal VO, 3. So total 3 demands have come for road. Now we will check for services. In Flower VO, we will see that installation of dustbin is one of the service that the people have demanded, or maybe we can see maths and science teachers. So 1 maths and science teacher. And in Neer Mahal VO, do we have any maths and science teacher? No. So wherever the format says maths and science teacher or teacher, we will have to write 1 there. So here we will see wherever the teacher option is there, we will write 1. So at GP level, 1 demand has come about for teachers. In a very similar way, we will also fill in the format for resource development. So for resource development, we will keep on adding and fill it. Now I'll go ahead and show you how to capture the format for social development. So the social development plan for Flower VO and Neer Mahal VO, there is one female literacy campaign that has come about together. So we will find where is the female literacy campaign or the literacy campaign option. So here it says adult literacy and we will write here 1 because there is one demand because both Flower VO and Neer Mahal VO together want to work on female literacy. So we will give 1 demand. So this is what we have to remember. And it is very simple. You have to just keep on adding the demands that have come at each VO, and you have to then consolidate it at the panchayat level. Here I have given you the example from 2 VOs. There might be cases where there are more than 10 VOs as well. So whatever the demands have come from the 10 VO has to be added and filled in the GP summary sheet. Thank you so much. I hope it was clear for all of you.